But backing up to the market research, is there a couple of just key things that you would look for? And I know it goes way deeper than this. So anybody listening that goes, okay, I got that part. There's 1,000 other things, but just some quick key tips on like, these are a few things that I would look at that would make me say, yes, this might be a good market for short-term rentals, or this might be something that would come up that I'd say I probably would not want to do short-term rentals in this particular market.
Number one is, so my sweet spot has to be 3x my rent or mortgage, or 5x my rent or mortgage. Okay, so if you identify a property that can create you 3 to 5x, right? Your rent or mortgage, you're golden, bro. But if you're finding a property that gives you 20% the total price of the property, which is $100,000 for a $500,000 property per year, right? Then you're sort of jumping into a much more blue ocean.